Good morning, Eastview. Happy Thursday, September 17th. After your fun question of the day about the favorite cartoon, we are back in our photo editing document. Remember, you click the shortcut right here, and we are doing challenge to cartoon yourself, which is a fun one. It's really making a poster, and if you come to challenge 2, you'll click the video here. It's also called like posterize. It's a fun one. It shouldn't be too difficult. You just follow along. You can see this is an end result, and you're starting back here. My tip of the day is remember the wand tool for taking out the background. And my other tip is select a picture with a simple color background, like it's all white or all green, something that's the wand tool will pick up when you click on it. And that's it. That's my tip of the day. Enjoy it, and I will see you in class. Have a great day.